Good day, children. Sai Ram. Welcome to your reading class. We are introducing this class to help you all cultivate the habit of reading with the correct pronunciations, expressions, to improve your grammar and enhance your vocabulary. Also, we will have a good time reading many interesting stories with a moral in each class. So, let's begin. The title of the story that we are going to read today is Two Friends and a Bear. Okay, here we go. Once upon a time, two friends, Ajay and Rahul, had to travel through the forest. It was a dangerous forest with many wild animals. There were lions, bears, snakes, and even poisonous spiders in the forest. As the two friends entered the forest, they were gripped with fear of what lay ahead. I'm so scared. I wish we didn't have to go through this forest, said Rahul. I agree with you, but we have no choice, said the other friend. We must cross the forest to reach the other village. What if we get into trouble? Asked Rahul. Let's promise that if any of us gets into trouble, the other will not run away. He will stay and help the one who is in trouble, Ajay told his friend. Yes, I promise, my friend. I won't leave you alone if you are in trouble, said Rahul. I'm feeling I'm feeling less scared now. I think now I can easily cross the jungle. I'm glad. Let's go, said Ajay. After some time of walking through the forest, the two friends heard a rustling sound from the bushes ahead of them. They stopped in their tracks. What do you think it is? Asked Rahul. Shh, silent. I don't know. I can't see clearly. Can you? Replied Ajay. Just then a large, dark figure appeared ahead of them. Oh no! It's a wild bear. It hasn't seen us yet. Run! Cried Rahul. Saying so, the boy climbed up a tall tree and sat on one of its branches. But his friend did not know how to climb a tree. My friend, I don't know how to climb a tree. Please help me climb it, Ajay pleaded. But the boy on the tree did not help him. He shook his head and held close to the tree. Ajay saw the bear approaching him and quickly lay down on the spot. He had heard that bears do not attack dead people. So he closed his eyes, held his breath, and lay very still. The bear came close to him. It came close to his head and sniffed and smelled his ear to see if the boy was breathing. But the boy held his breath. Thinking that he was dead, the bear left the boy and moved on. After the bear had left, Rahul came down from the tree. Are you all right? Asked Rahul. Yes, I am. That was a close call, exclaimed Ajay. Surely it was, my friend. I saw the bear come close to your ear and whisper something. What did he say to you? Asked Rahul. It told me to be wary of a false friend and not keep such company, replied Ajay. The moral of the story is a friend who does not help his friend in the time of need is not a true friend. Now, children, I want you to do the reading now. So, we will do it once again. However, this time I won't be reading the story, but you will read. I hope you all have observed how I read the story and now you can do the same. We will go one slide at a time and I will wait for you to finish one slide before we move on to the next. So children, I hope you all enjoyed today's reading class. Wasn't that a very nice story with a very good moral? What does the story teach us? It teaches us that we should never abandon our friends in times of need and always stick to our promises. We must always help one another. Another important lesson that we can learn from this story is to have a good presence of mind and be alert. Like how Ajay, he was alert. He had a very good presence of mind, and so he acted as though he was dead, and so the bear did not hurt him. Okay, so we must quickly be able to think how to solve a problem. Okay, and children, I would appreciate it if you read some more stories on your own and let me know on the group. I will be glad if you do this. Okay? Thank you, children.